All right, coming back for the next iteration. So part 3, for lack of a better word. The next 25 items we're going to be looking at are from Haul-Master and U.S. General. This is for the May ITC deals in 2026. These are good until May 28th. First, we have that Haul-Master 1,200-pound capacity, 72-inch by 30-inch convertible aluminum loading ramp. Normally it's $199.99. Save $50 during the sale to $149.99. Then we have the Haul-Master 5/16 by 20 foot. This is a grade 70 trucker's chain, so you can use it to hold your things to your wagon, your cars, or what have you. Heavy duty. Normally it's $49.99. This is going to come in at $39.99, saving 20%. Next, you have the U.S. General 30 by 16 3-shelf steel service cart. This is in red. It's normally $69.99, bringing it down to $49.99. Here's those magnetic glove tissue dispensers. They're quite popular, and as you can see, they come in a variety of colors. I think we have a super coupon for $9.99 for the purple one only, but this one allows members, ITC members, to get it for $9.94 in any color, saving 33%. We got the 2-ton cable winch puller, or as some of us call it, a come-along. Save 25%, down from $39.99 to $29.99. Here's you some 10-inch utility tires. Worry-free tires. They're polyurethane, no air, so you shouldn't be going flat. Normally $13.99, save 21%, down to $10.99. Here's that Haul-Master 5400 ratcheting load binder. They're normally $44.99, coming in at $37.99. Haul-Master's 1,500-pound dual swing-away trailer jack. It's a good deal on these, save 20%, from $49.99 down to $39.99. Here's the Haul-Master 10-inch universal flat free. It's also a solid tire. Normally $19.99 down to $14.99. Haul-Master's 1,000-pound capacity 72-inch by 9-inch trifold loading ramps. Normally $134.99, save $35, down to $99.99. Here's your steel trailer tongue box. It's down from $89.99 to $74.99. If you don't have a cargo carrier for your hitch, here's one you can pick up really inexpensive during the sale. Normally $59.99 down to $39.99. Here's the U.S. General 1/2-inch magnetic socket rail. It's down 31% to $14.99 from $21.99. Haul-Master's 1,360-pound trailer tire. This one's the ST175 ADR13. Normal price is $129.99. Selling it for $99.99. Here's the U.S. General, says 3 sizes, so it should be 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch magnetic socket rails. Pick them up for $14.99 this month, down from $21.99. Haul-Master's over-the-wheel tie-down bonnet to help you haul your cars and your four-wheelers down from $24.99, save 32% to $24.99. Here's a nice recovery strap. This is 6,000-pound capacity. It's down from $15.99 to $10.99. U.S. General's magnetic power air tool holder. So if you power and air tool holder. So if you need something to hang on the side of that box for quick access, normal $21.99 down to $16.99. Here's Haul-Master's 1,000-pound capacity 1.5 by 10-inch tie-down. $6.99 normal price, down to $3.98. That's a 43% savings. Here's the Haul-Master 2,800-pound capacity 2 by 20-foot tow strap. I understand it's only 2,800 pounds, so don't be trying to pull a tractor with it. Normally $11.99, save 25%, it's $8.96. Here's a wire pliers rack. So you can show what you can do with it to set it on your shelf. Normal $12.99 down to $8.98. Here's you some forearm lifting straps. Very handy if you need to move a washer, dryer, something of that nature. These are 700-pound capacity, 3-inch by 9.6 foot. Normally $14.99, save 26% down to $10.99. Here's some 2-inch rubber swivel casters. Pick them up, 34% off, $1.96. It's a 4-bolt hole setup. Here's another U.S. general item, the magnetic spray can and screwdriver holder. So it holds your drink bottle, but it'll hold the spray cans or some few screwdrivers. It's also just magnetized to the side of your box. Comes in those multiple colors, down 33% to $9.98. And then we have the 1/4-inch magnetic socket rail, which I believe we went over earlier. It's going to come in 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch. $14.99 down from $21.99. And also don't forget today's tool deals of the day. I have them posted in a short if you'd like to see them. And check out my other videos for day 1 and 2, which would have been the Icon, Hercules, and Bauer sales. And I'll try to pick up the rest of these on the next video. If this helps you in any way or you just enjoy seeing it, please like and subscribe. I'm really trying to grow this channel. And the subscribers, I don't know, some of y'all are hard nuts to crack. So if you find this interesting or want me to continue, please subscribe. And until the next video, y'all take care.